Yeah. Come on. Siyempre mga yamok mo kapagod makijaming lang ang tanan. Ibingan sa tutok sabay si Jing-Jing kung mega umatayog sa ulo para maminaw sa sunatan. Nagilidan pa sa bukid sa kung amigo nga atyo kaayo. Hey! Kaya mo balira bugaret sabi mo matsura ka mo bantali ang makikistorya sa tindera. Manikong may nakabantay kay kuyang kong mabansa sa silingan na nagsunod-sunod. Kanabutan na maski si mama pa istoryahon. Just do not, ayan ka na naman. Ang hiling ko sa'yo ay huwag pasobrahan. Gumamit lang ng tama na kaya sa isipan. Huwag kalilimutan, sermon ni Les Paha. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Bolivia's rhythm. Yo. Hey. Lingaw pang lutang ng inyong atapok. Kasabay ang amigo o amiga. Tagay-tagay lang si Jinjin musukli pa. Sa bulsa paluhog ko sa lighter. Kaya ako ang damon. Ang bangkok lamesa sa area. Huwag makatugaw maskin lang. May binong walay may ginagalaw. Kaya ako maglagot. Lisod na ako makatok. Ha ha ha. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. Bolivia's freedom. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Katalakora na imo ka isok. Ayaw sige hinambogo po pinilayog. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. Bolivia's rhythm. Yeah.
much R&B the Side Street Band for that impeccable musical selection. Once again, palapakan natin, ladies and dance floor, please.
Nagkigawin jay palasita Naaarmit jay amyana Kadyak man laing maasit ka Amang idatong kuyayan ko Agmalmalin nagjay tsanggida Amang ururay ketwana Barbaring mapanagtigos Jay waig sa jay dayana Matukmak ka di Dumdumwen nila nang na Pinapaglabain Uray laing panyuna Sa tuwag na tigos na Pagtigosin na day sa gumpida Selselan na aming arikang Naulas na pa'y madaling na Awan nga tantay magapuana Lukas tuyat na nayon Piyak pula iti mairugo Akal kay iti tiyempo Nasaysayat sa ngarude Ngay baon kuntuda na Barbaring magpagkukuye Balasitan nga ay ayate Matumang kadi Tutuwen ni nanang na Pinapaglabain Uray laing panyuna Sa tuwin na tigos na Pagtigusin na day sa gumbida Selselan na aming arekan Naulas na pa'y pagdaling din na Matumakadi Katutungwen ni nanang na Pinapaglabain Uri laing panyuna Sa tuwin na tigos na Pagtigosin na dyan sa gumpida Selselan na aming arekang Naulas na pa'y pagdaling din na Matumakadi Katutungwen ni nanang na Pinapaglabain Uri laing panyuna Sa tuwin na tigos na Pagtigosin na day sa gumpida Selselan na aming arekang Naulas na pa'y pagdaling din na Selselan na aming arekang Naulas na pa'y pagdaling din na
Thank you very much, Batch 86 of St. William's Institute and Lusok National High School. Aginanake, basit apo kasi agline dance kayo kay madamdama. So may sabi apo nga pag salaan, dito man table nga dito apo, kin dito nga table. Another balse po or cha-cha? Cha-cha number please. Ag-cha-cha kayo mami ah. Ag-cha-cha ka no. Cha-cha po or balse, ma'am? Cha-cha ore. Anak ano apo pa sa cha-cha amin am nagalaok.
And I don't want to be the kind who hesitate Be the shy, way too late I don't care what they say other lovers do I just wanna dance with you. I got a feeling that you have a heart like mine. So let it show, let it show. If we have a chance to make one heart of two, I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Twirl you all around the floor. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. Oh, I wanna dance with you. Hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. Yes, I do. Ain't that true? You wouldn't get embarrassed by the things I do. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Twirl you all around the floor. That's what they intended dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. Oh, I wanna dance with you. Hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you.
Keep on dancing.
All the boys are playing softly and the girls are too. So am I, and so are you. If this was a movie, we'd be right on. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Twirl you all around the floor. That's what we intended dancing for. I just wanna dance with you.
Keep on dancing.
I wanna dance with you. Hold you in my arms once more. That's what we invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you.
Thank you very much, Cha-Cha Dancer. So let's continue listening messages from our visitors. Let's continue.
Para padakan nasiraan siya. Ako maglang magipaguyaya. Nanagduyan niyang dapat na kaya na. Para
Requesting Sir J.R. de los Santos, Sir GL, Sir J.R. Sa mga may regalo po,
Cause Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
What I gotta do to make you want me? What I gotta do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over? And sorry seems to be the hardest word.
So sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation.
And it's getting more and more absurd.
So sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over?
Oh, it seems to me that sorry seems to be the hardest word. Every good time is it cold in your little corner around the world.
Agpila ti kumaapon nga saya ako, inagwa ti pagpilaan tayo. Once again, agan-agos tayo apo. Thank you.
Never find no one or soul to know. Only kita you will never know. Anything about my home, I'll never know how good it feels to hold you. Oh, Nikita, I need you so. Oh, Nikita is the other side of any given line of time. Counting 10 soldiers in a row. Oh, Nikita, I need you so. There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for these restless warriors just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Love on the rocks ain't no surprise. Just pour me a drink and I tell you some lies. Got nothing to lose if you sing the blues all the time. I gave you my heart, gave you my soul. You left me alone here with nothing to hold. Yesterday's gone, now all I want is a smile. First they say they want you, how they really need you. Suddenly you find you out there, walking a storm. And when they know they have you, then they really have you. Nothing you can do or say, you've got to leave, just get away. We all know the song. September morning, we danced until the night became a brand new day. Two lovers playing scenes for song, romantically. September morning, you can make me feel that way. September morn, we danced until the night became a brand new day. Two lovers playing scenes for song, romantically. September morning still can make me feel that way. September morn, we danced until the night became a brand new day. Two lovers playing scenes for song, romantically. September morning still can make me feel that way.
Every now and then we find a special friend who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time you fall. You're the best friend that I've found. I know you can stay. Part of you will never ever go away. I'll always care. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true. To have you just be kind. You're such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. And I'll be right behind your shoulder watching you. kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you can take away everything, really my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive?
Announcement. Praising the driver and the owner of this vehicle with a plate number NAB6344. Please relocate your car.
If you ever leave, baby, you can take away everything. I need you in me. Baby, don't you know that you're everything good in my life? And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I, oh how do I? Taking me in all this pain, taking me out of the rain. Come back and bring back the smile. Come and take these tears away. I need your arms to hold me now. The nights are so kind. Bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart. Don't leave me in all this pain. Don't leave me out of the way. Bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out in my life. Uncry these tears I cried so many, many nights. Unbreak my heart.
check. Announcement po. Paging the driver and the owner of this vehicle with a plate number NKB6344. Please relocate your car po. Once again, NKB6344. Please relocate your car kasi madi ka na makapag-naapo or makapakni dyan may isang halugan. Thank you very much. And once again, sa mga kumakain pa, paspasan ni Basit Apo, tapos nagsasala tayo kagayem ka ng kakabsat, marami pa tayong papremyong naghihintay. Thank you very much.
Lady, for so many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Forever, let me wait to see you each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see no one else but you. There's no other love like our love. And yes, oh yes, I always want you near me. And I waited for you for so long. Lady, your love's the only love I need. And beside me is where I want you to be. 'Cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're the love of my life. You're my like a rain with no reason and an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along. And you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created the world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Oh, there's another song.
Yes, and once again, happy birthday to Mom Emma. Baka pwede rin kayong sumayaw, Mom, ni Sir. Come on.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Joey Valenzuela and Ma'am Emma Oceano Talbo.
Who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had it out. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Bagong kasal. Charot. And of course, may request sila isa pang sayaw. So this time, I Can't Stop Loving You naman. Yung team song po nila. Keep on dancing, ma'am and sir. Once
Yes.
again, I Can't
Ito
Stop
para sa
Loving
inyo po to. I can't stop loving you.
Can't stop loving you. I've made up my mind.
Special request. And once again, happy 60th birthday to Ma'am Emma.
All the lonesome time, I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live all my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy arms that we once knew. Though long ago, still makes me blue. They say that time is a broken heart. there's no use to try. Pretend there's somebody new. I can live a lie. Now I can't stop wanting you the way that I do. There's only been love for me. That one love is you.
May nagak Peter Apo.
Those happy arms, those happy arms that we once knew. So long ago, keeps making me blue. Yes, they say the time is a broken heart. Is that real? Since we've been apart, I can't stop loving you. I said I made up my mind to live in memory, in dreams of yesterday.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin Mr. Joey Valenzuela and Ma'am Emma Unciano Talbo. Ang palakpak tayo man gagayem kaya nakakabsa. Thank you very much. So this time, Sir Joey, ano pong message natin kay Ma'am Emma? Iba po kanina yung video presentation. And this time,
Alright, sayaw na. Agsala tayo amin na napat at tumawagwag tayo tingnan tayo.
Narangyag ang bulan, sikat manibalik
nasa po yung RIC.
Yari mitran yang mo
much, RIC. So this time, meron tayong request. Piyesa ka do apo, dagiti Tagalusok, nga idauluan ni Mr. Leon Tabor. Song title, Seven Seas, with 1,000 pesos. Once again, piyesa apo, dagiti Tagalusok, nga idauluan ni Mr. Leon Tabor. Seven Seas apo.
Yes, and maraming salamat po sa nagbigay po ng compliment. At least may buena mano tayo dito. Yes.
Sagsaga na apo, dagiti taga Cagayan. Sumarno kay apo nga sumala. Once again, piyesa apo, dagiti taga Lusok. Ngay dalawa ni Sir Leon Tabor.
Aldaw nga sikat mapanpangunod ko, manikot kay dapat naghamang mo. Uray kay kasamag panangiyaw awan ko, sikalat ka matagtagainit ko. Nagrigaten ti ka sa saat, takas kenkat kang asawa. Ngem chakmeten mapawilan tuirik na. Ket idin imanubutak nga sikaken siya te agsara. Amuglat tanwan ya mapasama. Mapatan di seven seas, kanan namin kaniayan. Idatun ko to'y puso, pag-ikit kararwan. Mapatan di seven seas, agpapasta't raksa. Riknam kenday to'y rikna, isudan nagsabay.
Happy Fiesta, Barangay Burugo.
Gana ka ang mata, ang mailinit ka. Di ka na yun na panagsinarata. Agdan amak ko, amang ano da makakita. Ngem na labi-labis met ilutukin ka. Nagrigaket ti ka sa saad, takas ken katang asawa. Ngem chakmet kung mapawilan tuwik na.
Happy Fiesta!
Ket idin imanubutak na sikaken siya te agsara. Amuklat kang nuanyat mapasama. Mapatan di seven seas, kanan namin kaniayan. Idato
Thank you very much po.
Chop, 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 chop!
Upang sumayaw,
Sayaw na!
ibig sa aking lawas. Labi ko na talibong, may pagidu-gidu ka pa ba? Pitik sa iyong mga sige, labig sa iyong mga kamot. Labi na akong tsatsatukan, kita'y mingi kagat. Kaupay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y sa aming lawas? Labi ko na talibo, may pakidu-kidu kapagan. Pitik sa iyong mga sige, labig sa iyong mga kamot. Labi na akong tsatsatukan, kita'y mingi kagat. Ayaon paninginingi, mayaon pa uroy-uroy, mayaon pa liad-liad, nagpatuwa-tuwa. Halapi ka, hinirahi, jajahi.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Gina. Thank you.
Saling abuti, pagkunting sige, bisan pa maimbastin, bulong sinsini.
Chop, chop, chop!
Halapi ka, hinirahi, jajahi, ikabot-abubot na toda-todahi. Kay pagpaganan ng pagis mo, permi, sumayon si Permi. Kaupay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y sa aming lawas? Labi ko na talibo, may kagidu-gidu kapalan. Pitik sa iyong mga siki, labig sa iyong mga kamot. Labi na akong tsatsatukan, kita'y mingi kagat. Kaupay mo sumayaw,
Happy Fiesta,
kayo
Cagayan!
ba'y sa lawas? Labi ko na talibo, may pakiru-kiru kapagan. Pitik sa iyong mga sige, labig sa iyong mga kamot. Labi na akong tsatsatukan, di kayo mingi kagat. Mayaon pa rin mayaon pa uroy-uroy, may bagal talian-lian, nagpatuwan-tuwan. Halapi ka, hinirahi, tsatsyahi, kay bakit sa buwas waray na munini. Saling-saling abuti, pagunting siki, bisan pa maimbastin, bulong sinsini. Halapi ka, hinirahi, tsatsyahi, ikabot-abubot ng toda-todahi. Kay basiganahan ng pag-isto, permi, sumayong si Permi. Halapi ka, hinirahi, tsatsyahi, kay bakit sa buwas waray na munini. Saling-saling abuti, pagunting siki, bisan pa maimbastin, bulong sinsini. Halapi ka, hinirahi, tsatsyahi, ikabot-abubot ng toda-todahi. May basiganahan ng pag-isto, permi, sumayong si Permi. Sumayong si Permi.
Thank you very much, our visitors from Cagayan. Maraming salamat po for gracing this celebration. Di sa mga naapong nga piyesa, kaya dagay ka na apo taga St. Williams Institute. Ano pong gustong sayaw? Ano pong piyesa? Nasaan po yung mga galing sa St. Williams Institute? O, ano apo? O, sweet music ka no? Patay sa dagay Crush Daddy High School. Once again, piyesa apo, dagay tinagbas St. Williams Institute. Nga batch ni Ma'am Emma. Sweet Music Maestro. Once again, don't go home yet. The night is still young. Nasa Papaya Apple. Let us enjoy the rest of the moment. Please stay with us until the end of the program.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've gone, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get to someday. They said, I'll bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one is good night. Ain't nothing better. We'll be too young together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I'll bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one is good night. Still the one. Alright, ayan, palakpakan naman natin yung mga sumayaw. Yeah! Still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one is good night. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Yay! Thank you very much. Yan, napaka-sweet naman po. Salamat po sa lahat ng sumayaw. So this time, para mas masaya yung ating selebrasyon, kailangan apot yung may dito'y likod ko apot, tapos surukan ng agsala. So this time, sasayawin natin yung trending na hawak mo ang beat.
Yes.
Oh, yung mga visitors natin from Cagayan, ako po yung magiging dance instructor ninyo ngayong gabi. Dito na po tayo, sakti surutan nyo apong agsala. May kayo moms and sirs, hawak mo ang beat. Kayang-kaya ng ating banda. For your information, R&B The Size Street Band is one of the famous bands in Ilocos Norte, in Ilocandia. So they are from San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Once again, yung mga gusto pong sumayaw ng hawak mong beat, bata man o matanda. Come on, everyone! Ne, madama bunong da di apo, di jacket, kadakwa. Ma'am Emma, dito ipay. Wait lang po. Ang dami kanina yung mga taga-Cagayan. So tularan nyo lang po ako. Basic steps lang po, ha? Ma'am, salina kayo para mas masaya ang ating gabi at mas masaya ang ating selebrasyon. Kas manang ipakita tayo apo ti ayat tayo kini ag birthday ni Ma'am Emma. Napanandagidad duman apo. Yung mga batchmates po, Ma'am Elsie, May kitisangon, ma'am, nalakalang detoy, kasamit lang po detoy, online dance. Basic steps lang na gito'y, ma'am. Tapos na masurutan tayo amin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, hawak mo ang beat.
Hawak mo ang beer.
Mo ako'y nabibig, hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibig, hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Kaya't nagtaas kamay, ikot-ikot sabay-sabay.
Ang gagaling nila, grabe.
Walang practice yan, ah.
On the spot, wala po bang beator? Nabanog ate. Salamat po sa mga sumayaw. Thank you so much my backup dancers. Once again, patasasamang po sa mga naghahanap po ng event host and occasions, birthdays, wedding, christening, anniversaries, except Minatayan, Apo. Try to contact me, Charlie Adsuara from Badon, Ilocos Norte. Wait lang, Apo, kapag Jovic Baldivino, Labang sana kun ate, Go lang po, R&B na Side Street Band.
Hoy, come on! Come on!
Sayawan na!
Sayawan na, everyone!
Everybody stand up! Come on!
Ano bang ginagawa mo? Parang problemado ka. Iniwan ka ng jowa mo. Ipinapalit sa iba. Masakit na sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng jowa mo. Ipinapalit ka na. Iniwan ka pa kung nasakit ang katiyan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katiyan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katiyan. Gamutin ko sa ka. Come on everyone! Hema ko rin sa ka, kasakit, kasakit. Hema dali sa ka, kasakit, kasakit. Hema dali sa ka. Ayan, asan yung iba? May pabuitor si Ma'am Emma. Lagi ka na lang tulala. Pumapatak ang iyong luha. Ang buhay ay ganyan talaga. Mabuti bang mabukod ka na? Masakit ka sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng jowa mo. Ipinapalit ka na. Iniwan ka pa kung nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan. Hema ko rin sa ka, kasakit, kasakit. Hema dali sa ka, kasakit, kasakit. Hema dali sa ka. Come on, everyone! Eto na ito, pabitor ni Ma'am Emma. Masakit lang sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng jowa mo. Ipinapalit ka na. Iniwan ka pa kung nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan. Gamutin ko sa ka, nasakit ang katayan.
Number 1 ni Apo, Barangay Captain of Napo, retired Lieutenant Colonel Arcadio Viloria, Batch
86
Okay, and
from Sir Richard Balbo.
from Richard Calvo. Ayan, piyesa yun dati Apo. Barangay Captain of Napo, and retired Lieutenant Colonel Arcadio Viloria, Batch 86.
Alright, once again, this song's dedicated to Isang mapagkabiyagan ay muray na ito'y mata Dahil suti matagas, maralo at kagaw ka Isang manuti sa wala at dahil sa mamagagura At dahil sa malayon na ka, pinisip ang gusto kega Alright, once again, piesa, begitu tagat at buo. Isang kamay ako, lalawagan ang tibayo ko. Dahil sa mo, isip ko na'y ayaw. Ito'y puso na puwang dilindo. Isang tamang biyak ko, lalawagan ang tibayo ko. Dahil sa mo, isip ko na'y ayaw. Ito'y puso na puwang dilindo.
Okay, thank you very much po sa lahat ng sumayaw. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, since double celebration po tayo tonight, celebrating the 60th birthday of Ma'am Emma, and of course, Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mothers. Okay, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, may daw-dawat apo ni Ma'am Modesta Talbo. May gisango apo. Ma'am Modesta, the mother of Ma'am Emma. Pakiabot po yung isang bouquet, sir. In celebration of Mother's Day, ma'am, regalo po ni Ma'am Emma para sa inyo. And of course, ano po yung, para po tayo, ma'am, ano po yung message natin? Okay. Okay, so Ma'am Modesta, ano pong message natin kay Ma'am Emma?
Apo. Naimba garabi tayo amin, Apo.
Pakilakasan po yung mic, sir.
Agyos, agyos, agninan ako na kata kayo amin, kakabisat nga sang sa ili. Di ano siya may dito eh. Pinag-birthday ko anak ko. Stamot sapay ko nga Apo. Kami manayin nga salon at anak ko. Yung kinalaing na tipada na nga tao. Ang nagbalbali ko, ang nagbalbali ko Apo tiyo gala ti anak ko. Ang mga ayat, karkaroba. Karkaroba basta. Na kami Apo. Tasay at parang miti kalugar kami, amin, maililiw kami kada kayo. Pero da kami di Amerika, amo yun, agtesta tayo ti Borobor, hindi nalaing pa talakay ko, agsalsala kami nga dududo at balay mi. So nga napatag kayo kada kami kakalugar kami. Iso nga no da kaunti kurkurang mi, no da panggip yung madi kada kami, sorry Apo. Kit na ito lang ang masao kagyaman na kami ganda kayo Apo. Kasi nagyaman na mo, da ito anak ko Apo, nga inunaan, di anos na kada kami, mang tutulong ti dari nga riga mi kini, ti tatangkin na nang nagyaman na unay Apo kada kayo. Kasi na yung bangirab kayo Apo.
Once again, palakpakan natin, Ma'am Modesta Talbo. Thank you very much, Ma'am. Kadigiti balita ka na pamagbag. And of course, mensahe. And of course, once again, Happy Mother's Day po. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga ilaw ng tahanan, lahat po kayo ay magkakaroon ng fresh flower. Nag-iapo na amin nga naganak apo parents, mothers. Nag-iapo mga lati sa gaysa sa tay agsasala amin ti sango. Lahat ng moms. This is our night, this is our day as we celebrate Mother's Day. Please get one rose po. Yung mga mothers po natin. Napinta sa amin dito, mami, nagkapujikwa, Alaska. Amin nga nakaalat yung roses, Apo, dito ilatan, akasegsasala tayupay. Asala, balse. Aldaw yung dito Apo, so hantay nga sayangon. This is a very special day, a very special night para kanya yung amin nga Apo nga ina, mothers, moms, momshies, nanay, lola, aunties, manangs. Okay. Lahat po nang nakatanggap ng roses. Anati kayo ti Apo nga salaan tayo. Balse. LA Walk. Okay. Samangot yung DJ Apo. Samangot tayo DJ. Samango, DJ, audience tayo. Palapakan tema na Apo, digiti mothers tayo. Nga bisita tayo tatang arabi. Okay. Digiti na anus, na ayat.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what I feel like it and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. I just don't think it understand.
Oh yeah.
And if you tell my heart, why keep breaking heart? We might blow up and kill this man.
Alright, just keep it dancing, everyone. It's electric.
Once again, palapakan natin,
Na-electric.
ladies and gentlemen, ang mga ilaw ng tahanan. Awan sarday po, nagyaman kada kaya amin nga moms. Once again, happy Mother's Day po. Thank you so much,
Happy Mother's
Anus.
Day.
Ayat ken dunguyo, apo. Teko natin, apo, a mother's love is indeed incomparable.
Happy Mother's Day.
A program that starts well, ends well. And to everyone who extended their wishes, greetings, and messages, thank you very much for your love, support, and of course, thoughtfulness. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, may we now listen to Mom Emma Unciano Talbo as she delivers her words of gratitude. May we give her a reverberating applause.
Umuna ti amin, nakman ang thank you kan ni Apo Diyos. Kay ni kan na danon ko ti 60 years old. Ken kastamat dagiti pamilya, dagiti anak ko, nga dada itoy, dagiti apukok. The mother ko, ni father ko kan kastamat, di kakabsat ko ni Richard, ni Gina, ni Henry, ken ni Wendelin. Ken kastamat nga nakpagyamanan ni Joey, nga kanayon nga mang supportar kanya, especially financial, ken kadagiti amin, ken kadagiti kawaranggayak, ngayon may ti mabuno itang arabii. Awan ti kastoy nga napasamak nga karambak no awan kayo dagiti kakabagyak, amin nga gagayem, dagiti kakasinsin ko nga lang kapukagayan, ken da kayo amin, ket agyaman na manen amin kada kayo kakabsat ken gagayem. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So feed your soul with meditation and prayer. You should welcome happiness in your life and cultivate the habit of forgiving yourself for the mistakes you have committed. And of course, no matter the age, there's nothing more important than family. Use your 60th birthday as an opportunity to spend time with those you love most. You can relive the magical moments of life by telling stories about your past, like describing where you were during important points in history. Once again, happy 60th birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, many ancient cultures believed that smoke carried their bearers to the heaven. So at this point in time, kakayem ken kakabsat, may daw-dawat, nga ni birthday celebrate tayo, will now blow the birthday candles. Once again, sabay-sabay tayo sa countdown in 5 seconds. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palakpakan naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost done, so time check. It's still 9:36. So we still have 24 minutes to go. It's party time. So it's sayawan na. Once again, I give you back our band for tonight, the R&B and the Side Street Band. Take it away. Si Siwit. Agsala amin apo nga taga Cagayan, amin nga taga Santo Domingo, amin nga bisbisita apo si Siwit Dance.
too sweet, too sweet. Wow.
Tonight's celebration tells me that the best demonstration of gratitude in response to a wonderful experience like this one can be contained in an overwhelming thank you. Agiyamanak, daghang salamat kapong ka, terima kasih, gracias, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po for making part of this momentous and memorable occasion. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. Wendelin Talbo for choosing me as your host for tonight's event. This is actually a one life-changing experience, great exposure and great experience in life. Once again to Mom Emma, happy 60th birthday and happy Mother's Day. This has been your host for tonight. I am Charlie Suara, 17 years of age, all the way from Barangay 4A Saud, Bariclocos Norte, at nagsasabing, life is full of surprises, life is beautiful, and we have to celebrate. Thank you and more power! Check. It's party time!
1, 2, 3, woo! Come on. Gusto ko lang naman malaman nyo na ang isipan ko'y gulong-gulong. Nagtatanong kung susundan ko siya dahil ang puso ko ay nabihag niya. Alam mo bang minamahal ko siya at tunay ang aking nadarama. Kahit ako'y nagmumukhang tanga ay ayos lang basta kasama siya. Kahit sabihin pa ng iba, nababaliw na akong talaga. Kahit mayroong ibang nagcha-cha-cha, nagrurumba, nagsasalsa, pwedeng sabihin nyo to sa kanya. Ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagay kaya ako ng tato, magpatubo ng balbas sa puso, magpalaki ng muscle sa braso, magpadagdag ng kwet kay belo. Buksan mo, papasukin ako,
Papasukin ako.
bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano ang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na,
Papasukin mo na.
may tsokolareng dala. Bigyan mo naman ang pag-asa, ang puso ko sika. Alam mo bang walang kasing saya sa tuwing ay aking nakikita? Ngunit malaki din ang problema dahil hanggang ngayon sa'yo'y umaasa. Lagi na lang akong naghihintay, ngunit di palagi mong kasabay. Kahit madalas kang sumasablay, ako sa'yo'y nakayos na. Buksan mo, papasukin ako,
Papasukin ako.
bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano ang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na,
Papasukin mo na.
may tsokolareng dala. Bigyan mo naman ang pag-asa, ang puso ko sinta.
Rocket!
Palagay kaya ako ng tato, magpatubo ng balbas sa puso, magpalaki ng muscle sa braso, magpadagdag ng kwet kay belo. Buksan mo, papasukin ako,
Papasukin ako.
bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na,
Papasukin mo na.
may tsokolareng dala. Bigyan mo na ang puso ko sinta. Buksan mo, papasukin ako,
Papasukin ako.
bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin
to give you our last two songs before we say goodnight to everyone. And maraming salamat po, Talbo family. And happy birthday to Mom. Yeah, and happy Mother's Day, everyone. To all mothers out there. And happy birthday, Glessy, Aji Namoto.
Thank you so much.
invite niyo po sa amin. And lalong-lalo na sa Talbo family.
And on Channel Family.
And of course, happy 60th birthday to Mom.
And
Yes, maraming salamat po at sana po nag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi.
yes, ayan na. At syempre, kung nabitin po kayo sa panonood, you can catch us now our Facebook page, R&B Band New Page, at sa aming YouTube channel, The R&B and the Side Street Band.
Yes, of course. Happy birthday, Jessie. And may birthday to come.